Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the vault lock type, so you use the right procedure. Mechanical, electronic, and smart locks behave differently. Retrieve the backup key, current code, or admin credentials, and lay out a flashlight and basic tools. Once ready, inspect the door alignment and hinges so the bolt can move freely. Fixing misalignment first saves time. Now approach the lock, rest your hand on the dial or keypad, and prepare to enter the initial override or set sequence. You now enter credentials following the exact manufacturer sequence. One wrong step can lock you out, so move deliberately. For mechanical dials, spin with steady pressure. For electronic pads, enter codes with firm presses and confirm with the accept key. Once accepted, set the new combination or enroll an admin user and make sure to store backup credentials offline. After programming, cycle the bolt manually and test lock/unlock 3 times to confirm smooth operation and consistent alignment before finishing. You finish by securing cover plates, rechecking mounting screws, and recording the combination in a sealed off-site location to prevent single-point failure. Make sure the alarm and access logs are enabled if available, and run several timed lock/unlock tests to confirm reliability. If something goes wrong, first power cycle electronic locks or replace batteries. For mechanical jams, avoid forcing the dial and try 1/4 turn counter rotations. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.